Boxycharm. Ginger was really good this month. Didn't look at any of the teasers. We also have my daughter E and Jacinda. So here we go. Without further ado.
My real name is Emma.
Let's stand up for ourselves, no matter how we feel inside. Because feelings, they're only temporary.
Green clean.
Green clean.
Oh, green.
Makeup melts away cleansing balm.
And then
Stop, mouse.
Gonna see what it looks like.
ooh,
It's a
that's
wand.
pretty.
Anyway, yeah, do your little thing. $20.
I don't know if you can see
Hawkwind.
No, not really. Just take it out. Hope it's not like one of those other ones. If you haven't checked out my video where I was like trying to open it and it was
that.
like
Almost broke
you
it.
end up screwing it off instead. Sisters, you gotta love them.
Stop smiling.
And it's market value at $38. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Maybe because it's Halloween. Ooh, don't break your nail.
Fine.
You should show them your nails, by the way.
Oh yeah. Show them your nails.
Okay.
Exclusively only on our video, you can see my daughter's nails.
Yes, they're pretty. They're Halloween themed.
Mhm.
If you could see, if you're not.
Oh, it's got the things on the back, the colors on the back.
The shades, colors, I don't know.
Ooh,
What's the other thing?
wow, that's a neat little box.
It looks exactly like the unicorn.
Ooh,
Ooh,
Feel. Ooh. So shiny.
out of all the things that we got this month, my favorite has to be, where is it? The mascara.
I knew you were
my
gonna say that.
favorite.
How come you knew I was going to say that?
'Cause you
My
like it.
favorite one is.
What about you?
This is my favorite.
This
I'm
is
excited
my
to see the
favorite.
cleansing balm.
And that? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Leave a like and a comment.
Yep.
Yeah.
Follow on Instagram.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.